this here can dive. It can trippy. It can Medi flip. And it can do cinematic. Ooh, hi, Tom Cruise. Okay, not the cinematic. The cinematic is kind of bullshit. But honestly, guys, the BetaFPV Air 75 is a super fun quad. It has got everything that I wanted when I was flying the Mobula 6 2024. It has got better thrust, it has got more weight, and it definitely did help me with my freestyle outdoor. Yes, because of the weight, it can handle the wind better than the Mobula 6 2024. And if you want some update on the Mobula 6 2024, it is dead again, my friends. And this time, I am not going to revive it anymore because I find that the Super X AIO is just way too unpredictable. As for anyone whom are new to the channel, I welcome you guys to Curly FPV's channel. And if you're interested to know what I did with the Mobula 6 2024, there is two content. One is the review video, another is the revive video. I'll leave down the link in the description below so that you can check it out later, but right now let's talk about the BetaFPV Air 75. I'm not going to be doing any unboxing video because there's nothing much to unbox. There ain't even a piece of sticker in there. This thing here, if you do not know, is lesser than $100. So what more do you want to ask for? Stickers? Go print it yourself, man. So right now, let's head to the desk and I'll show you guys what you will get out from the box. Apart from the quad, we have a bag of extras. We have a set of extra propellers from Gemfan. This is the 40mm 2-blade propeller. We have extra 4 screws. We have the extra canopy, but do take note that this is extremely fragile because it will often snap at the back of the camera, so please be extra safe when you're flying because you only have got one extra life. And we have the dongle. This is not an extra, but it's the only one that you will have, so keep it safe. The dongle is a USB-C, which I prefer. Please keep this safe because this is the only way for you to connect your quad to your PC to do whatever setup that you're going to be doing. Finally, we have the quad. But I'm not going to be showing you guys this because I've actually pre-recorded the cleaner version of the Air 75 before I took this out and ripped. On the quad itself, we have BetaFPV's new 4-in-1 AIO, which uses the G473 processor. Then, we have the external ELRS receiver. Apart from this AIO, BetaFPV has also introduced a new 5-in-1 AIO, which I have in my hand, and we will be talking about this in the next content. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. And also, I will need your help to decide on whether should I be building a 75mm whoop or 65mm whoop. On the canopy, we have the BetaFPV CO3 camera, which I love. As for the models, we have the BetaFPV 0802 SE 23,000 kV. The battery connector here is a must to be mentioned. It is the BT 2.0 and it is a U cable, which is very nice because you don't stress the cable too much, like what I did on the Mob 6 2024 A30 connector and ended up with this. To the weight scale we go. As advertised on BetaFPV's website, we have 21 gram on the BetaFPV Air 75, and we are going to be flying with the BetaFPV Lava 1S 450 mi in 5 seconds, and we have 33 grams. Alright guys, here we are at the first location, and like what I've said earlier, the Air 75 has got what I have wished for when I flew the Mobula 6 2024. It has got better thrust, it has got more weight, so that I can freestyle better at this super fun spot that I've just found. So let's start flying right now. Alright guys, for some reason the DVR was not recording on the day. So here I am again in the next morning to do some flight footage for you guys to watch. But first, we are going to take a slow cruise along the park because at the end of this video, I need you guys to help me out on something so that I can improve my flight more. Alright, we have a empty area here. And then we have a row of tall trees over here with a lot of ghost branch. Right, showing you guys some tree gaps. We have another one here. I've just learned the Matty, so this is where I usually train on my Matty. And further from here, where the reception is even worse, we have more trees. Alright guys, so please do remember this park because at the end of this video, I'm gonna need your help to challenge me on something so that I can improve on my flight more. And right now, let's go for some freestyle, baby.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just don't be scared. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
That was fun, but the fun is not over yet because we'll be heading for some gorilla whooping later. Alright, with the BetaFPV 450 Ma 1S Lipo, we are getting about 4 to 4.5 minute flight time depending on how you fly. If you're going like crazy all the while, I think you will most probably get 3.5 to 4 minutes flight time. But if you're just cruising around, hitting some gaps, I think 4.5 minute flight time is a lot for a tiny whoop, right? Anyway, let's head to the second location. Alright guys, can you guess where are we gonna be doing the gorilla whooping? A fun fair, man! When was the last time you guys been to a fun fair? So there we are. It is also good that the wind is very strong right now to test out how the A75 hold against the wind.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope, a nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Damn, look at the skin tone difference. I am super tan because of that rip earlier. My God. But if you are really thinking of getting the BetaFPV Air 75, my conclusion is just add it in your cart and wait for it because you will have super good fun. And because I'm so addicted to tinywhoop these days, after the Mobula 6 2024, I actually got myself the Air 65 as well. Look at this. I have not opened it before and I've not even seen it before, so there we go. And these we'll be talking about in the next content. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and also leave some comment below. Should I be comparing this side by side with a new Mobula 6 2024? If you guys say yes, then I'll also click an order for a new Mobula 6 2024. Though I don't think I will be flying with it because of the Air 75, but for you guys, I will do a side-by-side comparison so that it is fair, right? And here is the challenge that I mentioned earlier. You have seen the park that I flew at, so please challenge me to perform a trick with the Air 75 or the Air 65 so that I can show it to you guys in the next content. As for now, please join me on this content here where I travel all the way to Singapore and find Happymodel's team pilot Shogun Emperor to teach me a few tricks on the tinywhoop. I'll see you there.